guys, we're here with David. We've got some mail to open that should be preparation for PAX.
Can I point out that it is very late at night?
It is
not late.
It's late. It's Emma late. Emma goes to bed at 8.
7:20.
Emma goes to bed at 8.
Watch anime.
This is way past my bedtime.
Watch anime.
So we've got a registered post,
a package, and this one I know what it is, but I want to open it for fun. Can we do mine first?
Alright, so we'll start with this one.
Does David want to help?
Open it up.
Done.
Don't. You've got to pull. You're so bad at this. Pull.
Oh, what do you got in there?
Pull it, David.
Pull. Where are your muscles?
Oh, I can't pull.
I can feel him shaking.
I'm trying to.
Okay, how about
There we
this?
go. Look there. Done. Done.
How about, okay. Okay.
We're done.
Pull.
Oh, thanks. Yay! So.
Right, what is it, David?
Bubble wrap!
Apart from bubble wrap. What do you got, Em?
I got chills.
They're multiplying.
It's a purse.
Open it up, see what it is.
Oh, that is cool.
Ta-da!
Oh, look, you opened it up the right way for the camera, David. Good
wow.
job.
Good job.
So it's swans.
Oh. Oh, so you got to put these in there.
They're like sticky dots under
Oh,
this.
wow.
Look
So
under
it's
here.
a colour by number.
Yeah.
Sticky. But with beads. It's a colour by bead. No way.
Colour
It's
number.
a
Colour by
bead
number with
by
beads.
number. It's a bead by number.
Bead by number.
Yes.
Well,
A BBN.
BBN.
that's
Sounds like a news channel.
that's pretty cool. That's very time.
I did it once.
Put this.
Let's go with the yellow one.
Oh, you just
Okay.
chuck your stuff. What's
Open
this?
it up, David.
Ooh.
Oh, baby one.
Look at that. Just like that video that
Comes with
Danny
double
did.
box. It comes with double box.
Ooh, yay, look.
Oh, it's a mini gorilla.
I haven't had one of
I
these
actually
since
really
Japan.
need lots of these little baggies with that craft, so
So
Oh, it's the same one but
So-
smaller.
smaller.
that's what I used in Japan, and
Wow.
our camera,
Right.
our phone mount,
Yeah.
broke in Japan, and that's when my phone fell off near the water at the koi. So
What's this bit for?
that's for a GoPro. So it's got a GoPro mount.
Will it fit on our fly? My
Oh,
words.
that will,
This
yeah.
is super
But
small.
this-
Oh, this is for your phone.
Yeah, but our phones are too fat.
No, that one fits our phone.
Does it?
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because that's what we were using.
Yeah, but that's how we broke
No,
it.
we broke it because it was
Oh,
well
maybe
used.
like
Oh.
Or you just overstretch it.
no, that was this bit here. It's alright. I'll show you later.
Alright, next
Last
piece.
thing.
Alright, what's this bit?
I can't read.
It came in registered post in a plastic container. Like this is plastic.
Yeah, I've
It's
never
a plastic
received a
envelope.
letter in a plastic envelope.
Yeah, that's
That's so
pretty
I've
exciting.
never received that
That's a
before.
first.
I've opened this already because I was a little bit
Curious.
I thought it might be like
Just open it up.
a fine or something.
Yeah.
But look how cool that is. I've never seen a plastic envelope.
Well,
It's so exciting.
I think we need some of them. We should keep them
What for?
so you can send a letter down.
A letter down to where?
I don't know. You do send Christmas cards?
No. 4 PAX passes.
4 PAX passes, and why are there 4?
Because this one here is for a BYOC. Oh, it's BYOC.
Bring your own computer.
your own computer.
Oh, don't just stick on my head. I just watch my face.
who's bringing their own computer?
Me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
So
gosh.
that's the
Rules.
next part of our video today.
Rules of PAX.
David
Number 1.
So we don't
This
even get a
is-
lanyard. I'm disappointed. That's not.
I
good,
was
man.
trying not to flash your code so
But
people don't.
there's no lanyard.
I have a Lego lanyard. You
No,
can
there's
have.
no lanyard.
We probably
I've
get
been
one when we're
nice.
there.
Probably. Don't steal.
EB experts way better than Pat now.
Don't punch or kick other people. What?
Because
Why would you be punching and kicking?
people are
This is
stupid.
not just
Because
general
it's
life rules.
gaming.
General life rules as stated by PAX. Drugs, bad. Don't steal. Don't punch or kick people. No cheating.
Yeah.
Don't harass anyone. Don't mess with things that aren't yours.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch displays.
Who are you talking to?
For more information on the rules of PAX, see paxaustralia.com.au/safety and security. PAX show hours: Friday 10 a.m. till 11:30, Saturday 10 a.m. till 11:30, Sunday 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. Expo Hall closes at 6 p.m. each day. How are we meant to stay in there longer?
No, just the expo hall is open.
So it'll be like outside will be open like it.
Yeah, there'll be different areas.
Wow, it closes to 11:30 p.m. at night.
I'm gonna
on
be so
Friday and
tired.
Saturday.
And then we're gonna get up at 10. Oh my god. I'm already tired.
Alright, so now I will show you the conundrum that we have. I think David would like to. Say a little bit of an apology for the lanyard
They will
rant.
be providing lanyards and show bags,
Yeah.
bags at the entry point.
Always read. I don't read.
Alright, so David, what are you going to be doing at PAX?
So I have to bring this gigantic PC, which I spent a lot of money on, and I thought, yeah.
And we have to get it 4,000 kilometers
Please, Maya.
to PAX.
We can start a band with this thing. Look, it's got a washboard.
I didn't think about that when I said, oh, bring your own PC. That sounds so cool.
So,
Didn't even.
Emma and I have brought
Our biggest
suitcase.
suitcase.
So, this is what we're dealing with, right? Big suitcase, computer. Height, it's good. Width, it's good. Length, yeah.
I've got a squishy bag. Like,
It will not open up that big.
no, not that one. I can steal one. Don't steal. I have friends and family from Mama.
I don't.
So, we have a bit of a problem where David's PC is 20 centimeters larger
David's
than
gonna have to go to PAX naked.
every
because
other
he's
suitcase.
friggin-
And what we'll have to do is, to stop all of these components from being destroyed, we'll have to pack his clothes in it to support them all.
Pretty much.
And are we gonna?
Use it as internal storage. Just
is
rock up.
this?
We'll just rock up and put that on the belt.
Sorry, I was just pulling
That's
these
from the white.
We'll just rock up and put this on the belt and be like, yeah, that's my suitcase.
Why is there? Why is have you seen? This has got 3 cables for his internet thingy.
Yeah, for his Wi-Fi.
But why?
Do we have? Actually, I could get bubble wrap packaging and tape it around this.
That's great.
Yeah. And what's that gonna do?
It does nothing. Okay, you know what?
Makes it bigger.
There's, see that? What's that point over there outside?
Alright, so here.
It's full of hay.
We're gonna
That's the box it came in.
we're gonna get rid of all the hay and we're gonna put it in a box.
We're gonna put it in the box.
Wee. Did you hear the wee?
And then what are we gonna do with the box? Try put the box on the plane?
Will they take the box?
Yes, it will be an underground thing.
You only get 1 under baggage.
Okay, this is what
But
I'm
we're
gonna
gonna put all
do.
these clothes.
So if we put your clothes in it, then it'll be
I
fine.
have a plan. I have a plan.
We leave in 17 days. Just throwing that out there.
The plan costs money.
Oh, good.
Yes. So what will happen is I'll put this in the box, package it all up, and put the words fragile on the box so they know it's freaking fragile. And
That means nothing.
and then we go to a freight company known as Qantas Freight, and then they'll select the next available flight, and it will be there.
So then we have to try pick it up from the airport.
Yes.
But when?
So the next flight from Darwin, or will it be the same flight?
It can be either the same flight,
But
or
we're going
it can
on
be...
Virgin.
No, we're going Qantas.
No, we're not.
No, we're not.
We're flying.
Did
Qantas.
you pay for the flight?
We're actually flying Jetstar and we're flying via Adelaide.
We're
Okay,
flying-
you know what? It will get to
We're
Melbourne,
flying
alright?
to
I'll say
Melbourne.
it's going to Melbourne.
Yeah, we're going
It'll
to
be
Melbourne.
under my
Oh my
name.
god, I thought we were going
And
to
then-
Sydney.
All we have to do is find the Qantas Freight Terminal in Melbourne and get it.
Another thing that we have is David has a really good laptop that he could just use instead that also has a 980M in it that would work perfectly.
Daniel, this is
That's not that size.
And we don't have to take a screen.
This is-
Could we not just take this thing apart?
no, because then you have to set it up.
I mean, just take it apart and put it in a small
No,
box.
see, the problem
We could
was...
just. Oh my god, I have an idea. Alright, wait, listen. We could just get a big cardboard box from like Bunnings.
Which we already have.
That-
No, smaller than that. The one that'll fit. Or we could just. Oh my god, another idea. Hang on, they're just coming to me. Could we not just cut that up and use that? Like stick the bits in this into that? Like
So you're
make that
talking
there a
you're
case.
talking about making David win the most creative case
Yes,
competition
because it'll
by
be
making a
portable.
luggage case
His case.
his case.
His case will be a case. I'm so clever. Look at him, he's thinking about it. I'm so clever.
So it'll be
Is there a competition for that?
PCLC, PC luggage case,
PCCC.
PCLC.
I have a case. I have a case. Computer case.
That would be. It's doable. It's doable. But it's
It would have wheels.
And we can just
This is
cut
super
holes
heavy.
for the
Like
fan.
it would have wheels, so you know.
And
All
this
of your
has got,
components are pretty
all
heavy.
way wheels. Are we allowed to cut the suitcase up? That's the next thing. How expensive was that suitcase?
no. The suitcase is more work. Look how thick it is.
And use the
Maybe
freaking
buy
saw.
a. Well, see, no, we wouldn't need a computer case. We wouldn't need a suitcase that big.
Or
Because if we have a look at the inside components, there is a lot of space. Space.
Station.
So we wouldn't
Jam.
need a case so gigantic. Like we wouldn't need a
Wasted.
suitcase so big.
So we could get my pink.
I like
you're
that
gonna
idea.
Have a pink, my pink
No,
suitcase. Oh,
just. You
Like-
could choose a case that you want for it.
we could go to like a cheap shop and buy like one of their puppy dog ones.
there's so much I'm doing and reconnecting.
But we're gonna do that anyway, David, because to transport this,
It has to be.
we have to pull everything out.
But what if it stops working?
That's why I'm going to PAX as well.
That's why Daniel will be there. Yeah, he'll fix it.
This is your fault.
Okay, so that might be an idea.
I'll just Qantas Freight this.
Wow.
I'm going to Qantas Freight.
I like that idea, but that's a good idea.
I'm brilliant.
Let us know,
I have a
guys. Let
case.
us know.
Yeah.
Qantas
I have
Freight
a
down.
case.
Or
Okay, so
Computer
you got,
case.
so leave a comment. So Qantas luggage
If he doesn't
Qantas
do that-
Freight.
or a custom computer case made from a luggage case that will probably win him the competition for most
Is there-
creative case.
Is there a competition?
There is.
Do you know what would be better? Stop. Heavy. We should.
Those instructions earlier, they were for this one.
I didn't hit him or punch him or kick him, and I didn't do any drugs. I haven't done anything wrong. I did not say anything about biting.
Okay, so what are you thinking?
We should make something out of steel because it would look prettier. We can use the
that's
weld.
heavy.
I
No,
know,
heavy.
but
No,
if you want
luggage case is creative. Good idea, luggage case.
Thank you for praising my.
And it would have wheels, so we could wheel it. Because we all know, like Japan,
Practical.
that David needs something with wheels. Because he can't carry anything.
By the way, we'll be using our hiking bag.
Yeah, we'll be using our hiking bags that we used in Japan. The way to go.
Oh my god, that made my life so easy.
You have to travel luxury.
Alright, so leave a comment. See which way we do it. David's way or Emma's way.
I have a case. I have a case.
Qantas Freight, baby. Less work for me.
So how much would freight cost though?
Probably $60.
Yes.
Oh,
And
we know.
how much would the case cost?
I've seen them for like $13.
Yeah.
And it would be fun.
And you could win a prize at PAX.
But do you know how much? Do you know how long it's going to take to undo all the components?
To ship it, we would have to
Customize it.
pull it apart anyway, David.
Please,
We can't ship it completely together.
please.
Qantas French.
Could we get a case that has pictures of computers all over it? You know how you can get like puppy dog cases? Maybe we can find one that's got pictures of like laptops all over it. And because
You probably
laptops are.
won't find one like that.
Alright.
Yeah.
We could.
We'll try.
We
Let
could
us-
get. We could
let
get
us
like
know.
a white. We could get a white one, right?
Yeah.
And then get like that contact stuff, and contact down pictures of like laptops because. Oh my god! Better idea.
Wait, we could get a all white case and paint a black apple on it, so it looks like a Mac case, but it's actually PC.
I was like, we can make it look like a laptop.
Is that a Mac? Is that a Mac?
It's
It'd be
the
like,
oldest Mac in
look
the
how good
world.
my Mac is. I'm the only Mac that has a like 980 Ti.
Would you want to say that you were an owner of a Mac, though?
Are we talking about
No, but-
old Macs?
See, it would be taking out the piss of everyone else having a Mac.
Why does your Mac want Windows?
This is
Alright.
such an exciting idea. Even if David doesn't do it with his computer, I want to try it.
Yeah,
Computers and PCs
we should do it
right?
anyway. I still
We
don't
should
have
do
my
it anyway.
case. That's still
Yeah.
in.
I think we do it anyway.
But
Let's see.
yeah,
You guys
so
decide.
up to you.
Okay.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to be the only one that comments on this video.